Like, I'm trying to get better at coding and talking. I'm trying, but like, you say that ever and like to stop being sorry and stuff, but like, this job really has done a number on me as far as like, I don't know. Like, it's causing more. Like, I'm learning a lot, yes, but like, it's causing more harm than good. I feel like even though like I'll never like have the like knowledge that I'm gaining from this job taken away. That's great and all, but like one, life doesn't have to like be so hard, but also like because life is so hard at my current job, it's causing me to be more apologetic when I don't need to be. Yes. See, I get your point. But I'm weird in the fact that I think my like me having OCD and being more efficient and like a perfectionist in what I do, that adds the fun. One, getting the process over with is fun, but I love the process. Like figuring things out in the most efficient way possible is the fun part. And like I guess that's like a masochistic way of thinking about like doing anything, but like that's just the fun of life. It's just figuring out how to be more efficient with your time. I don't know. Am I doing it wrong? I don't know. But that's how I like to live my life. It's just to be the most efficient, not make processes harder than they need to be, you know? You know? Wait, which one is acceptance, the grieving process or whatever? Which one wait, which one is the acceptance one? I forgot which step that was. Whenever I do this, add, what? Add, I want to add the ID. What is that? Line, wait, no, sorry, docref.id. None of these steps in masochism is just straight downwards, just masochism, just an abyss of just um torture as a final step. Okay, okay. I get special rules as far as masochism goes, I suppose. We can do that. And then let's see if this works because I swear this does not work on my phone. And everything that I'm doing on the front end eventually will be a cloud function. So like I handle a lot of processes like in this front end code, which I know is terrible. I'm so sorry. But eventually, all this stuff is going to be on the back end, well, in the cloud as a cloud function. So yeah. Let's see. Also, this is a changeover too, but I don't want to start it just yet. Um I'm changing from this. Oh gosh. Wait. 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 Oh yeah, I'm doing something that I'm not. Oh. Oh, wait, we have a problem. Because okay, just for context, I'm doing something that we have never done before at my job, and just for context of what I saw, these are the products that I've ever seen run on this line. I'm doing something that we have never done before, so, like, it's not here. So what I have to do is go into here, into my database, find the product that I am looking for, which is louvers. What is this? Thank you. Take this. No, actually. Can I do that? I need to go to the lines ran section of this. Which ID is that? LW? No. LW. And then lines ran on F2. I don't like that I'm still going by the name of the line. I'd rather go by the ID of the line, but we're kind of in a crunch right now. So, yeah. Um, as of right, that didn't update. Wow. Wow. Uh-oh. Hopefully it does now. Please. Thank you. Okay. So, not that one. And I'm so thankful that I put this in. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. I truly have you to thank for that. Like, without a doubt. Thank you. Like, it's just so, like, it makes more sense. Like, it's more scalable. It makes so much more sense. It may not be as easy to okay, what it does do is cause more reads. That's what I'm noticing that it does. It causes more reads because the ID of the document is just the ID of the document. Once I do have the ID of the document, I can pull the document, but pulling the document is an extra read. But that's really the only thing. It's a lot cleaner though. Maybe I can clean that up. Maybe that's what I need to do and just like wrap my mind around how to do it more efficiently, but yeah. That was oh gosh. That was Wednesday of last week. Yeah. That started then. In your app, you could have all the lines cached, they don't change. True. 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 But that comes along with remembering how to cache things. And I forgot. Yeah. Yeah. Where do I go now? Oh gosh, I lost my train of thought. I'm not used to. Do I have? No, I don't. Okay. I lost my train of thought. Okay. So I have this. What I'm working on right now, because I just now cleaned that up. I want to create a line report. So, what is this? What is this? This isn't right. That's not right at all. What the heck? Uh, for some reason, whenever I click this, what the heck? What's currently running on here? That's not right. Current product? Which one of these products? Why is that product running? What is running? ID? All right. This one. Toe. McToe. I can just change that to that. Just hard code that in there. Boom. Um, what are we gonna do? Boom. All right, cool. So, McToe. Oh, that's cool. It even added the little degree sign. Cool, 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 cool. Okay, so yes, yes. Actually, this doesn't matter because no, this doesn't matter. Let's put that in. Put that in. Cool, 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 cool. Uh, cool, 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 cool. Don't make this harder than it has to be. All right, I'm going to open up this, and it does not work. Why? See it? Why would this not? What's stopping me? Do I need to add one? Doesn't make sense. And especially if I'm doing that, past line reports. No, it still doesn't go. Just making sure. What would be hindering me? It's always some little field that I'm not looking at, but I filled everything out. I don't know what. I'm asking Claude to look at my code. Want my line reports submit. Cause all right, fine. I'll look at it. I don't know if it's something to deal that does with the validators or not. Um, whenever I'm submitting this, where am I? Whenever I'm no, where is it? Um, right here. Okay. The bill succeeds, so there are no compilation errors. Look at the code. Um, form validation. The save. Is this the save? Yes. Checks if this is not valid. The line ID, line name, product ID, product name. Oh, minimum value of 0. That doesn't apply because wait, the top line are strings. Oh, never mind. That's a different thing. Um, okay. At least one with text. That's disgusting. That's why it won't do it. That's nasty. Huh? What? Hmm. What if? Oh, this is the dashboard. Whoops. What if this whole notes section, I want to do this to it. Thank you. Now, you Uh, uh. This is definitely not entertaining. I'm so sorry. I truly apologize. Um, it's the notes. All right. Fix the notes section. I'm adding it back. Fix the notes section and functionality so that the form can be submitted even though no note has been made. Still save the notes and have them persist whenever an uh, report is active. Sorry. Does that work? That works. Awesome. Is that why? Wait, what? It had a validator on it or it didn't? What the heck? That was three. What does it say? Loading existing notes. Line report dot notes. Linked is over that. This dot notes from array clear. Clear the default empty note. What? Sure. That makes sense, but I didn't know that wasn't there. Now I need to fix this to persist existing notes when updating and not clear them. Good. Thank you, Claude. Good, good. So now, or created at final notes. Cool. Const active line report. This dot active line report. Not notes. Let final notes equals process notes. What the heck? It just took. That's weird. I kind of understand it, but I kind of don't. Sure. I guess it works now. Let's try it. Uh, 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 uh. Do that. Just making sure that this, even when dirty, I need to make sure that this does the right thing, even when dirty. Whoa. This doesn't do it. Interesting. What's missing? It's really the notes. What the heck? What the heck? Um, Hmm. Like, what? What? I need to stop doing that. I still can't submit a line report. Starts with one note already. I want to start with no note and be able to add them as long as the exactive. How about that? How about that? Cause like, look, if it was up to me, I would probably. Mm, interesting. So whenever I do make one, that makes it so where it does what? Oh, cool, cool, cool. Dot link. What? That's a different kind of form structure that I'm used to. If it's doing dot controls, what the heck? Mm, 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 mm. That makes sense. That makes sense. Huh? Clear notes, but keep other data. This is when I'm submitting. Okay. That makes sense too. Because why would I be adding another note? Huh. All this stuff makes sense, but still, I feel like it's something else. Uh, okay. I mean, there's this. What's the minimum on these? No, not that one. No, not that one. What's the minimum on these? The minimum is 0. Wait, no, it's not. I mean, it's 9:30 at night and birds are chirping. Go to bed. It's still wrong. How? Let's take it away again. Let me fill this out. This is what I'm gonna do. What the heck? This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna see if it's the notes or the heat section because maybe it's doing a hot reload and then acting weird about the heats. Because the notes shouldn't be acting like this. And this is really the most important part. Yup. Bingo. Got you. All right. Okay. Mm, the form to submit. Please fix it. I don't know. I need to stop doing it, but I don't know exactly what's wrong with it. So I'll just take it one step at a time. I'll still have this commented out, but I don't know. Is this what I need to do? But they should be required. I found the issue have required on both setpoint and they also have a strict pattern that only allows integers. This pattern doesn't allow decimal values, which is problematic. Okay. You know what else is problematic? Next.js to the software development ecosystem. That's problematic. Nobody's talking about it. Oh, am I live? Sorry. I didn't know that would cause an issue like that. Just making sure. Okay. Act right. This is trash. Oh, sorry. Sorry. I'm taking it away. All right, boom. Let's start this from scratch again. One last time. Doing a lot right now, but it's necessary because a lot happens in the real world and edge cases happen. That's another thing. Oh. Oh, wait, that's another thing. Hold up. What the heck? So I can enter this without. Okay, two things are wrong. Don't want the form to be submitted if there are empty set point set point or actual value fields that aren't compliant with the form's restrictions. If it doesn't comply, I want the field that's wrong to its border to show red. Let me have good looking forms, please. I feel like my mic isn't on. Or maybe I'm just talking low. I don't know. Mm? And then it should be a CSS thing. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Touched. Focused. I kind of don't like the CSS values of that, but for time's sake. I think I kind of got things okay. I don't like that in there. Yeah. What is this? What does this look like? It's a boolean. It's a true false. Like what is this? For each that's invalid. Okay. It's gonna put in the console. I want it to be up front and center in the user's face. That's what I want. Uh, sure. For each zone controls. That kind of doesn't matter, but kill it. No, kill it. And then ng serve. Yes. Don't need that anymore. Yes. Yeah, out of my. Okay. Think it's acting right. Think we're behaving correctly. We are not behaving correctly. What the heck? This sucks. I really don't want to like touch this code right now. I really don't. Oh no, no. It really doesn't know what it's doing. That's a dead giveaway that it is now lost. And it's manifesting. Ew. Mm. Now try to submit the form, check the browser's console. What? Could that be on? Okay. Uh, yes. Yes. That's what I want you to do. Now. None of this is Hmm. It was working so well. Oh, this sucks. Fine. I'm going back. Wait, what all is changing? Oh. Oh, I'm changing a lot. Where is this one at? Okay, great. Where is this problem coming from? Great. Let's revert all the way back to there. Let's refresh just because. Yes. Sure. Hmm. I'm really gonna have to touch this code. This sucks. So, maybe this isn't wrong. Do start one. This isn't here anymore. And there needs to be something. Hmm. Okay. Maybe it's not that. Maybe. Oops. Because whenever I add a doc, save line report, try this. Where is this at? Else line report data. That line report data. Something in here. Uh-uh. This isn't ever gonna work because I don't have a note. I believe it's it comes from the notes section. Whenever I submit a note to review, it's expecting me to have a note and doesn't allow me to. Okay. I think that's the problem. What to happen is if I don't have a note to in the form, don't have the Expired. Also, show in. I've tried to search. I've tried. Like all the local businesses, they don't even have it as like a separate topping. Panda Express and Sonic. Mm, which one? Panda Express is fake Asian food. Let me try to pull it up. Where are we? Yes. Yes. And no, sorry, hold up. This is Sonic, but I just get slushies from here. Yeah. I mean, okay. If you want quality meat, like grilled chicken, yeah, yeah. I don't know if a shrimp fried it or not, but yes, fried rice. Just oh wait, what is this? Huh? 319. Where are you? What is this? So if I add a note, it's it's no longer there. What is this? No, This is stupid. It's not that hard. What the heck? And I have to refresh. No, I don't. Oh, I can't see it. I forgot. I didn't comment it out. Interesting. Hmm. Let me take this away. Hmm. What does that button say? And what does it do? Exactly that. So, great. Great. That's exactly how I want it to look. Oh crap, I can't remove it. Oh crap. Oh, yes I can. This sucks. Why? Like it's not. This heat zone section is ridiculous. It's still not letting me submit anything. Like there's no reason why. Man, skip that step. And skip that step too. And for some reason. Oh, okay, cool. That works. I was like waiting for that to be activated, but it's working. What? Hold up. What? The form is only valid for me to submit whenever I hot reload the page. Please fix that. Because this is not making sense. If I hot reload the page, then I have to do it all over again. What's the default value of this? Of these heat zones? Oh, there isn't one because it comes in null. But whenever this gets constructed, ah, crap. This sucks. How would I do that? Because it's empty. What is this? Oh, just have it up higher? This is looking weird though, because like, yes, it's an empty array, but it's not. This is so weird. Should now be fixed. Reordering initialization. Oh, added explicit form validation updates. Okay. Calls after setting up. Was a brace condition were being added, but the form validity wasn't being added. This caused the form to appear invalid until hot reload triggered. I think you're gaslighting me. I really think you're gaslighting me. Like, honestly, if you're gaslighting me, I'm switching over to Copilot. Boom. So, what do you look like now? Okay. Okay. I'm waiting for this to show up like solid blue, and it's not. It's just not. It's going to take a hot reload again. Oh, whoops. Wait, no, it's not going to be well. It's not even hot reloading anymore. Ah. Do I have to do every single form in here? I mean, Is that the problem? No. It's not even hot reloading anymore. See, my thing is, I think the problem is that this is just loading in is empty. So, mm. Yep, it doesn't know what it's doing. I think this is too big for it. And it's gonna try to like check every single one of them, but that's not what I want. What is this? I kind of don't. What is this? I don't want to do all this. Okay. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna put that back too, because where are we? Control. Wait for that. I'm gonna have to take this step by step because these whole heat zone things and this notes section. Yeah, yeah. I have to get this done tonight. You know, I said I was gonna go to bed at a decent time. It has to get done tonight. I'm tired of thinking about it. Oh, interesting. What else up here is doing that? Oh, okay. Let's take that away then. What did I just do? Oh, bye. Something up here is the problem. Hmm. Something up here is a problem. Oh, whoops. What? This is confusing. Save that. Save that for later. Cool. All right. Just comment this out too. There's something wrong. Because the thing that's setting me off is Oh, this probably isn't the way to do this. Hold up. Yeah, I forgot about that. I need to comment more out. Great. Now, going to bring this back. What? What the heck? Now, it's submitting regardless. Not what I want. I want these to have the same requirements as this. And these number fields, yeah, I'm gonna copy and paste. I guess that's that because this is like a 5.1, I suppose, does something. Uh, should auto do it. What the heck? It's going to do something. Where this is a line report. It's gonna comment out the ID of it. So yes, GD. Yes. GD what? 8? GD 8. Where is this going? Oh gosh, where is this going? Where is this going? Huh? Wait a second. This GD8 might not be the same GD8 that I'm looking for. Oh, it is. Oh. So it does something. It does it. I don't like this. Line report 516. The heck is this? 516. Error. Error coming from which line? What? 288. 288. Hmm. 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 What the heck? Let's look at this again. I don't like that I have to do that over and over though. Yes. So let me start commenting stuff out again. So whenever I'm here, let's bring that back. Ooh, where in here? Where are you? There's a big gray blob I'm looking for. Yes. So in here, it is just these. Yes. Awesome. 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 Okay. It's still not doing it automatically anymore. This sucks. So for some reason, Now I'm do this all manually now. Okay, we're making progress. Programming sucks. Ah. All right, hold up. See this one right here. Hey, you. And oh, oh, wowee. Yes, and yes. Please don't break anything, especially my heart. Let's see. Okay, it automatically does it again. I don't know why I couldn't see that error. You should be smart enough to see that error. No, not Copilot. Sorry, Copilot wasn't the one that was messing up. Um. Oh, this is a lot different. This is a lot different, isn't it? Because what the heck? It's doubling it up. It's only allowing. Oh, yeah, that's a problem. Yeah, that's a problem. Now we found a new problem. Okay. The problem comes from setting up. Where is the setting? Okay. This line right here. It has to be here, but where? Should I put it at the end of it? Because I don't know. That one, and that one. Uh-uh. Uh, yeah. What the heck? So I'll slap it back up there. Huh? What? Uh-huh. 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 Close this and click it again. It's cleared. Come on. The problem comes from right here. Is it the fact that this is the problem? It's it's so close yet far away. Just keep it right here. Uh, Okay. The problem comes from this line. If I remove it, then I get multiple instances of the heat zones. If I keep it, then the form won't submit because, and in doing that, where do I submit it at? Where that one either gets made. Okay. I mean, the submit button says what? Not complete report, start line report. Disabled if that is invalid. If that is invalid, uh, oh, I can't even click it. Hold up. And it's not going to. I have a problem on my hands. Because I can't really console log anything because this is going to be disabled. So no matter if I try to click it or not, nothing's going to get console logged. If I keep the. I'm scared of that. I'm so scared of that. Because it's reading the heat zones as empty. The problem. True. The heck is this? I should take a different approach. What? Okay. I don't. What was that? Ah, you. I'm not used to dealing with control, though. I think that's what's holding me up. I'm not used to dealing with control. Mm? The debug code was removed, was also cleaned up. That. Okay. Has been cleaned up. Recombobulating. Now, this one I feel good about. This one right here. Remove premature required validators. The product specific fields, degrees, and stuff were incorrectly set as required from the start, but they should only be required when a product is selected. Well, it's going to be selected anyways. Cool. Um, Modified that to only clear and rebuild when the number of them changes, preventing duplicate and dynamic validation to properly set validators only for fields that are okay. Let me close this and see what it does too. Okay, no duplicates. No duplicates. Huh? Okay. Mm. I feel so much better. Okay. Now, still, I want you to console log what I'm looking at. Now, what does this look? All right, I'm not finding that in just that pool of whatever. What? Hey, update. Hey. Why is it taking so long? Oh, this is nasty. Oh, this is disgusting. Why is it taking so long? I have too much front end code. I have way too much front end code. This is nasty. It shouldn't take this long. No, yeah, yet. What? You're right here. Hello? This shouldn't take this long. This is nasty. Is it a browser bug or my app is just slow now? I have too much. This sucks. Enter again to research. Enter. Enter. I don't think enter does what. Because I opened it and closed it. Do I have any notes? No. So, save progress. What does this look like? Oh, close it? Cancel? What does it look like? Why can't I save my progress? Oh, this sucks. All right. Oh, oh. Whenever I. Oh, was it already up there? It is. It's just, yeah, it really just isn't populating it. Whenever I open up an active line report, the what is this called? This section called product specifications aren't populated. Oh, sauteing. That's the issue. Doesn't restore those. Let me fix this. So when I go there, what does that say? Load active that data. Yeah, add that in there. Yeah, yeah. Interesting. Uh-oh. That's not it, is it? It is. Degrees, length. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Um, Set up validators for product specific stuff. Either this does nothing or everything. I don't know. Do I have to make a new index? This is looking like I need to make a new index. Sure. I can just slap some more form validators on there. Mm. What is that? 438? And this is under which? Oh, it's in that function. Cool. Reload. Cover me, I'm reloading. I'm also trusting it to. Wait a second. For these degrees, this is going to have to show up in there. Because I don't know if me opening this up is triggering this again. Where is this active? Let's go up. Active. So active line report. I don't. There. Cool. This is a true or false thing. So. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. So. Mm, it's only going to show these. No. Okay. All right. There is no else to this. Yeah. Okay. My HTML for the product specification section. It'll only show drop downs. It'll only show empty drop downs even though the fields are have values in them. I want to show the values that aren't in them, but What is this called? In the same way, what am I supposed to do? In the same way that the line section is shown. Line and product info field. What was that? Oh, how old is that follower? 2 minutes. I'm so sorry. Um, thank you for following. Thank you for being awesome. Thank you for being you. I don't know why I can't see myself on Twitch. Maybe I got shut down. Maybe I didn't. Am I still live? What the heck? Yeah, I'm still live. Never mind. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay. I was like, what? Thank you. I couldn't see all of it. Does that work? Let's do this again. It's still trash. Oh, this sucks. Wait, what if I do this? Mm-hmm. You're dead. Come back. It's not gonna work. Because I'm looking at this right now. It's not gonna work. Else, line report form? No. No. What the heck? It's supposed to be line report data, right? No. What the heck? What? Line report dot what? Oh gosh. Oh wait. No. Okay. Where is this? And this is what would be. This is just gonna read null and everything. This is the problem. Okay. Oh. 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 Hmm? Hmm? If available. This is just patching a value. It line doc. Because okay, wait. I'm looking at this line report. The name of it. Do I have a name? No, I don't. I really don't. Dot name. name. No, I don't. So that's not real. What is this taking this from? Selected current line doc. Oh, that's trash. So this is just the selected line. But what I could do is dot patch value current product update form for product. No, it's somewhere in here. It has to be in initializing the form where I'm patching stuff in. It has to be in here. I don't know because I'm checking it from is this active? Save it, const completed. No. Crap. Is there please check. Thank you. Thank you. So what? Oh. Loaded line report degrees. Why are you not doing that? What the heck? Oh, it's not being shown. Oh, line report form dot patch value. Why is it not happening? Why is it not happening? So I'm checking for it, doing that, and I'm passing all of that in, all the data and all that. CLG line report form. Because I don't know. Oh, yeah, that's a different thing then. Okay, that's a different thing. But when I go in here, is there one active? Yeah. Where's all my stuff at? Value. All this stuff is null because of the initializing form thing. Oh, crap. All of this stuff is null because of that. Because in here, that's not the case. Oops, sorry. Initialize form. Or is there any other way that this is being... If there's a line doc. Initialize the form. And in here... Oh, gosh. Oh. I've tracked it down. In my constructor. See, that's why I wanted it to just be something like this. I don't want to put my hands on this, but I don't want to put my hands on this because I think I'm gonna mess it up. What I really need isn't in here. And when that constructor happens, this is just setting everything to null when it shouldn't be. I just noticed something. What the heck? Something isn't right. Something isn't right about this. I guess never mind. Oh, I don't know. Never mind. But fine. So that's up there. The more I believe you see problems and fix them or understand things, uh, I just lost completely. I forgot what I was gonna tell Claude. Hold up. I don't know if I understand things or not. I'm telling you, everything that's happened at my job is like just confidence killer after confidence killer. I'll be honest. It sucks. But how would I set up a patch value to patch in the fields from active line report the which fields are you? The what's crazy is they're named exactly how I want them to be, which is good. I'm so happy. Sides fields. No, it's fine. No, I don't want to bog anybody down with it. It's just it's fine. Truth be told, I had a little bit of like imposter syndrome um before I came on, and I've been like doing this. Like, okay, my original thing was like, oh well, I don't know if I want to show all of that, but yeah. Like what it told me, that I should know, I already know, but like in practice, because everything is so kind of like weird and like unconventional, I don't, it's hard to explain. It's hard to. What? Is already correct. Still aren't showing up in the ER. The issue might be read only fills when is true and the field has a value. What? And you load right after. Okay. Thank you. I guess that's what I do. Huh. So they're here. Loading. This is it. And this is after patching. So what I want to show is else. See, these aren't drop downs. Maybe the condition is wrong. Now when you okay, wait. Let's do that. What does that say? After I do that. Nothing. Cool. These are still drop downs. I do not want drop downs. Yeah. So if there's one, what does that look like? Null? Why are you reading null? Hey, oh my gosh. Dot. Oops. Digress. Degrees. Is it this dot form value? Hello? Mm. No. Else. Okay. So they are, what did it say? If the form still, the problem may be the values are null, the template conditions. The template only shows read only is true and the field has a value. But it does have a value. This is so weird. Wait. Maybe I'm being weird. Oh gosh. There's an imp and read only. Disabled. What does that look like? That probably won't do anything. Okay. This console is populated. Yeah, this console is populated. Hmm. Because yes, there is one active. If there is one if there is one active, that I'm taking these away, and all I want to show is that, and just figure out the null problem from there. Just take that, and then lastly the sides. Oh, oh. Yeah, that's all I want. Just do that. They're there. Yeah, they're there. But how to display them? They're currently blank, or currently blank except for the degree field. The console looks like this. Okay. I don't know if track. Oh yeah, it is. That is how you are there, but the template has a logic problem. Look at the current. I can see that it's showing all fields when it's true, regardless of whether you have them or not. Man, that's not right. Don't leave it as that. Oh my gosh. It left it as that. Man, this is stupid. Okay. I don't want to have this be an input anymore. I'm just going to have it be line report form dot get mill dot value. Say something. You're not going to say anything. Huh? There's obviously something right here. Or is it because it's not asynchronous? It's not asynchronous. Okay, don't gaslight me. If I'm not right, don't say I'm right. a loading state to ensure it waits for the data to be ready. Whenever I ask loading states, it's never right. Thank you. That's all I wanted. That one is all I wanted. Fine. Mm, okay. Always, for some reason, always. And especially if it's saying, "Oh yeah, you're right," and it ends up being wrong still. It's like, "All right, man." This sucks. Wait, I'm killing it. Just do it. The conditioning is still wrong because these shouldn't be. I'm giving myself 13 more minutes if it does not figure this out. You're absolutely right. The heck is that? Maybe it's loaded. It's falling back to showing instead of that. Let's fix the conditioning. I wonder if that loading works. It's not showing anything at all now. What the heck? Okay, thank you. Yeah. Huh? It's not showing anything at all anymore. But if I go to say this one, it's there. But if I go here, what the heck? This doesn't seem right. This doesn't seem right at all. And, well, at least it's not showing drop downs, but no. What if I do? No. Leave me alone. There we go. What does this say? Nothing new. Why am I stressing over this? If I'm gonna have it invalid anyways, it's there. I just thought about it. Why am I stressing over this anyways? Cause like, okay, don't show anything and just skip to this part where I'm actually editing things. Because I mean, if I'm doing all of that, I'm never really, yeah, I'm never really doing that. I'm never changing the degrees. I'm never changing the index length. The thing is, I might. Like in the edge cases that I might. Yeah. Yeah. But I'm leaving it invalid anyways. I think that's the like this is like minute stuff. Like edge case stuff. Yeah. But the way that this logic doesn't work, it should work. And that's like the most like disheartening thing about this whole thing. It should work. Yeah. Only showing them when the values in the and is active. Let me see. So, like, why are you doing stuff that you know is like messed up? What? That doesn't seem right. Unless it's reactive. Do I have that installed as reactive? Yes. Good. I need it to just be like execution focused and not like chatty. The heck is this? Hmm? I don't know what that's about. Yeah, I don't know what that's about. Okay. Hmm. I think that's just messing things up. And this isn't the loading. I think this is just doing random stuff at this point. I should probably use Opus. Because I think I'm still using Sonnet. Yeah. Because this is stupid. This is. Does that make sense, though? Like, when does that make sense? Where I can. Let's check this console. Where I can do that. All this is populated and it's still showing up as not populated. Like I'm checking this exact thing, this exact variable in here, line report form. In here, it's not doing it. It's not. This is disgusting. It's not even like listed as something that's like different. This is degrees. This is length. Like what? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. Where are the validators? Validator. Curve. Is this? Yes. Specific ones. These. As required. Mm, mm. That's not it. That's not it. What's going on here? Clear existing validators? Yes. But then set these options to what? What are these options? Product. Product.name. That's not real. Dependent fields. So it's not getting loaded or put into the field? Yeah, it's just not. Even though it's populated, right here, this is showing up as blank. Something's going on right here that I think. Yeah, hold up. The what? The Stop saying I'm absolutely right. Stop doing that. That's still not doing it because it's only checking. Wait a minute. That's still not doing it, I don't think. Oh. What did this do? If I go somewhere else and then come back here. Hmm, I guess. I, 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 I guess. Okay, now I'm kind of like reversing on everything that I said. I don't want this to be read only anymore. I want it to still be editable, but still populated. All right. I'm just making problems for myself. That's my bad. Hold up. Because if I do mess up, I want to be able to to fix it. Okay, wait. Oh, this sucks. Let me take this off. I think this is a more simple way to do this. I put all of these things in, of these conditions in here. I mean, it was working before. So I don't know if it'll mess it up now. Ooh. Yes. Yes. But I also want mm, go one by one. Take your time. Take your time. Yeah, I don't know what you are doing. Whatchamacallit? This is concerning. AI is becoming too human. Stop giving AI all of our human idioms. Oh, so if I do this, what was I gonna say? No, please. Oh, okay, did it. So if I change this back, doesn't change yet, but I want to see it when it's still green. Fine, it's not gonna do it when I look at it. But this is what I wanted it to do. I'm up an hour past my bedtime, so I mean it is what it is. But oh, because it's not completed yet. Complete it. Make a new one. Let's go to the past ones. Oh no. 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 What? This is a uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is bad. So when I do complete this, how are things being like the recipe? No. Line report. No. Past line reports, yes. So when it this is showing line ID descending. Cool, cool, cool. Past line reports. This is showing something is off. I don't need that anymore. I don't need that anymore, definitely. And that. So when I do come here, past line reports by this one. This line, I don't want to lose this one. This line, yes. So do I have the ID one? No. Oh no. Why don't I? Does the index not follow? Oh gosh. Filtering by that. The line what? Line equals line ID. Oh gosh. So I'm just filtering by that. Let me filter by line ID. I think all of them still have. Oh, you're kidding me. I have to set that up. This is trash. This has just been. I mean, at least it'll work now. But just those two characters stopped me from seeing all of my recent line reports. I probably have more that aren't showing up recently because just simply because, like, it's this one. I know it's this one. At least I got the line reports thing finished. That's all I care about. So now I can just go forward, not having to worry about all of that. Build, 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 build. Build, 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 build. Are you done building? Still. Once again, I apologize for being so boring. I got another Twitch follower and I didn't see it. I'm so sorry. Um, I remember what it was about, but now I don't remember what it was about. I'm so sorry. Oh, wait, I wasn't supposed to say that. Uh, I mean, yes. Yes. Unknown product. What's unknown about this? What does this look like in the thing? Product ID. What kind of product ID is this? Hold up. What kind of product ID is that? I've never seen that product ID before. Product. Lines. Products. Emoki. Why? Literally why? Why would you be reading unknown? I know who you are. I know exactly who you are. Hey, reveal yourself. Because, huh? And these angles and stuff is it isn't right. Maybe I can add that on later. Because it's not reading it, but I can add that on later. The fail, the fail thing is this. If that, do all of that. What? Unknown product. Where am I supposed to see unknown product at? There we go. Product dot name. Don't tell me. There is no name. So now I have to do another read. I'm going to product name. Okay. Wait a minute. How do another or? Name. Wait. It's name. Which one am I reading from? It's the products one. I'm in products. Product selection. Oh, so this not products. Get a product name. Find any product with this ID where product name. Let me get product name. Get, get what? What? Got, what? There we go. Mm, Line report that product. Line report. Line report. What? Observable. Subscribe these reports. Am I setting this to anything? Line reports. This is stupid. I'm stupid. So whenever I do this, I need to come down here. It is product name. What the heck? Hmm? Please don't let that be a typo in there. This is making one of them. All of them are messed up now. Name. But in here, yes. So that means I don't know how long I'm gonna be up now. See, this makes sense. But I don't know where. Product.name. Product. Const product equals product. Okay. You are not unknown. Let me just take that away from you. You are not unknown. There. Oh, yeah, you mad. Aw. Okay. CLG. Let's take an old fashioned. Alright, I need to get all of these. This is nasty. Are there any with. So I don't have a. I don't have an ID yet. 80. Whoops. So 80. Yeah. How many? Crap. Where are the rest of them at? Oh. Okay, this is doing too much. I hate Smino. Jeez. This is ridiculous. I don't want to play this album. Okay. So I'm doing it twice. Whenever I'm pulling that. Wait. What is this called? ID. Oh gosh. Or line report dot product ID. Fair. Oh, it sucks. Which one is which? Or I take that out of there. And no. I forgot to do this. Don't judge me. I'm using AI on this. I'm close. I know how to do this, but like I want to show either line report dot product name or line report dot because that's all it took. To track down which field name was wrong, but man, the structure is really simple. Okay. Okay. I understand it now. Oh no. Use it. Other. Gosh. There's another function now. I feel like I could have done that in one function. That's kind of stupid. What did this do? Oh. Oh. I never saved it. Get, get I'm never using this anymore. I was about to say, where am I using this at? But I'm not using that anymore. Welp, fine. I want to use that name. Sorry. This could have been very simple. I'm sorry. Uh, I don't want to use that name. Um, what? Oh. Any. All right, now. Uh, I'm going crazy now. I think it may be time. There we go. Yep, it's happening live. Oh, how does that even error out? Like, what? Oh gosh. Yes, but also no. Cause like, no, it's not null. I gotta flip them then. Mm, I have to flip them. I'm not gonna allow AI to do that. Uh, product ID, and then change the rest of these to product name. That's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. Return. What do you look like? Crap. It's never gonna have it. It's never gonna have that. Find where the no. Line report dot product. All of them have that. See, all of them have that. Ooh, if you don't have product ID. Yeah, it makes more sense if you don't have a product ID. If crap. Uh, if you have it, If I have one, return just that. You know? Like, I'm too tired for this, but I want to like fight through it. If it has a product dot name, oh gosh. Okay, wait. I have to like if line report dot product ID is equal to that, because this isn't gonna work at all, is equal to that. Sorry, sorry. This. Find where product name is equal to product name. So product report that that now do that if that is equal to that. Now else, don't say else. What does that say? Yeah. Else if product ID does not equal else just what the other one look like? Sorry. We're on. Okay. Line. Please. I can't type at all. This is trash. Thank you. I don't know what this is. I can. What is that? Oh, line report dot product ID. Dang it. Oops. Sorry. What is this condition? Because I don't know exactly what that document says, but I can guess. How many of these are doing that? Mm. Hmm? Please work. Great. A5N. A5N. Oh, God. Is this case sensitive? My eyes hurt. Thank you. So when I go here, oh, oh yeah, you're right. Okay, is equal to this. Else, if there is no line report dot product ID. Oh, oh, sorry. What changed? I'll take it. Okay. I have been coding for longer than I thought I would be. Thank you so much for watching. This hasn't been nice at all. This should have been very easy. This should have been 30 minutes. Okay, I can say I will continue to be more IRL, not on stream. I mean, like living more life. But I'll try to be more consistent with my streaming, or at least updating when I am streaming and when I'm not, because I can't set like a set schedule. So like, I just haven't forgotten you, and I suck at like being in Discord. I feel so terrible about not being like truly like, just like active as like a streamer or whatever. But like, I really don't talk much as a person. Having having this be live and me talking this much is actually like not normal for me. But I appreciate you for watching. I really do. Even though it's horrible. I think it's better if I talk though. It's more interactive if I talk. But like I said, okay, okay, because you're here, I'm gonna leak what I've been thinking about doing. I want to continue to build this out. But I think I don't know where I'm gonna put it. Like, I want to have more study sessions. I want this I want this application that I'm building to supplement my study sessions when it comes to my job, but the application just isn't there yet. If that makes sense. I want to do more study sessions, but I don't know which channel to put it on. You know, and the application isn't done yet. For example, please. This is what I'm dealing with right now at my job. What's happening is, okay, this is like what it looks like. It's not supposed to look like this. And what's happening is what I want. I don't know if you can really see it, but like I need these to be more defined because whenever I go a little bit more over here, they aren't there. I want there to be a slit like right here or an imprint right there. On the sides, they aren't as defined, and I need them to be defined. Also, this right here, webbing. And I'm trying to figure out if it's too much vacuum. I'm leaning on the side of it being too little vacuum. And the fact that I cannot put on a limiter for when the vacuum comes on and for how long it comes on. It's just active as long as the mold is closed. And I cannot change that setting on 2. Yeah, it's not as uniform as I want it to be. Even though I am getting this, I should be getting more of a like it's notably lighter. This this imprint right here is notably lighter, which I may shim it to where this side is a little bit more shimmed up than the other side. That's one solution. Now the other solution is dealing with this webbing. and it's a vacuum issue. Now, this is made with a material that I'm not gonna use in production, so I could try the one that I'm using in production to see if that's gonna react this way, because the one that I'm not using in production, it's a lot thicker. So, I think this is going to act differently. Is I know it's going to act differently, but I don't know how the one that I'm gonna be using in production, that I was using on F4, is gonna react. But I'm too scared to use the other material because it's more expensive, even though the product, like the material quality, is trash. But they don't want to like accept it. But it's trash. But I'm trying to figure it out while not saying that all this crap is trash. But to your point on the stuff being like messy on the sides, yes, because um there's supposed to be a seal in here. I can't put it in there because, like, imagine a square. On three sides of the square, the seal fits perfectly. But on one side, the groove is too big for the size of seal that I'm using. It's like the seal is like rubber, but like a rubber, like, imagine a rubber band. I'm putting a rubber band along the border of a square, but one side, the groove is so thick that I can't put it in, or else it'll just fall out. The mold isn't made correctly. But I'm trying to like figure my way out. Like, my job description is a thermoforming operator. I am actually doing process technician work while not being consulted about the construction of the mold nor the blades, and it's making it a lot harder, unnecessarily harder. But it's good experience for when I do like actually do process technician work in the future. Like, it's helping me like from the front to the back of the process learn thermoforming in and out. But it's just what I'm working on is so trash. It's really testing me. But does that mean that the mold is not flat? Yes. Yeah, it's not forming evenly, aka flat. Yes, you're right. Oh, you just use test material for this? Yes, I am using test material, and that test material is going to react differently than the material that I'm going to use in production. These two things are the only thing that I'm like really worried about. If I can get this webbing out of the way and this to be a little bit more defined, I don't have anything to worry about because like I'm going to cut this off anyway. So like whoop de doo. But I can't figure it out just yet. What am I looking at? Wait, where's the volume at? Thank you. Groove is so thick that I can't put it in, or else it'll just fall out. Okay. All right. All right. Oh, but yeah. That's where I am right now as far as what's on my docket. And as soon as I get this done, I have to do a complete changeover on another line. I love my job. Yeah, my biggest thing is okay. I have two other options because I could. What you just saw was running it with the vacuum. I could run it without the vacuum, but without the vacuum, looks like this. No more webbing, but even less groove, even less even less yeah, even less there isn't one. So I'm kind of like stuck in between two things and I can't even properly use the vacuum because there's no even like proper like PSI reading. The pressure is applied well, the forming top. The top comes second. Like I'm trying to figure out how to answer that. The top comes second, but the vacuum air pressure is coming from the bottom. Once it's together, kind of doesn't matter where the vacuum comes from. Which pressure? The vacuum creates the most definition. The most force is the mold actually closing. The more the mold is closed, the better the product is going to be formed. I just can't go over the threshold of how many shims I put in there, or else the mold won't close at all. Yeah, I can't put anything in there. This is trash. But study sessions like this, things that I deal with every day. There's so many things that can impact this because keep in mind, this is kind of outdoors. So, like, you're dealing with the outside temperatures as well. They are cheap and believe that they can do no wrong. So, no. Oh, an alternative cut for that? No, because the mold is just cut that way now, unfortunately. I tried to put in the three sides of the rubber that do fit in, and then one side with a thicker rubber, but it just fell out anyways. I tried that already. Oh yeah, it is new. Oh yeah, it's fresh off the roll new. Yeah. Hmm. But I'll sleep on it. I'll sleep on it. I mean, new to the misshapen. Oh yeah, I did. I did. On that one side, that sticker, I put a thicker rubber in, and it still didn't do it because of how seals work. You only really get one slit, but I'm ending up having to make two, and it's so disjointed that like once you like start making more than one slit in a seal, you're asking for it to fall out and for air to not be properly like for the vacuum to not work properly because that's just not how air works. And with how they put the seals in, they just put them in there. There's no like fitting the seal to the groove because eventually, like the more and more that you form with a vacuum and they don't understand this, the more and more that you form with a vacuum, the seal is going to shrink. It's just going to shrink. So the first time that you engage the mold and have the vacuum on, you're shrinking it because it's like doing this. My company, yes. It's all the same company. So, yeah. Yeah. But I'm going to sleep. It's late. It's almost 12 o'clock here. Hopefully I don't oversleep. But yeah, thank you. Thank you for having a small little study session with me. But eventually I want to do more study streams. It doesn't make sense to do it on like the coding channel. It doesn't make sense. You know? So yeah. But oh well. Oh well. I'm getting off. I'm getting off. My haircut kind of doesn't look bad. Kind of enjoy it. Later.